May, what did you do?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do this, okay? But
hang on, it's on the ground. It's not jacked up, so it won't work.
Oh.
We were going for a nice drive, getting some chores done. We're going to take a thumbnail with the new car, and I blow an axle. I literally blew an axle. And I did this to myself. Go back in the videos to when I just started using the Pergia C's, the more gripped up tire, and I said to myself when I was changing them, I said, I'm a little bit worried that I might actually start breaking drivetrain components now, because I've gripped up the rear end so much more than it previously was when I was running Grievers. This is that moment where I wish I never said that, because there's a hole in one of my axles. Like hang on, I have the photo on my phone. Here is what my axle currently looks like. We started driving here, then just randomly started going after a little pull. Anyway, so Rusey luckily has the parts here at his garage, so we're going to switch it out. But mate's going to get home because she's got to work and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to quickly move the car, shovel things around, and you get to go and drive and experience the new K-Van for the first time. Another turbo four-wheel drive car. All right, anyways, let's move cars. Let's go get to the K-Van and go from there. Thank God for this purchase yesterday. Who knew I was going to need a reliable daily this quick? I think my favorite thing is that the keyless entry actually works on this car. None of my other cars' keyless entry works. Oh man. Yee yee. In the turbo four-wheel drive K-Van. Let's get some, boys. Just chilling at the lights and enjoying the TV when I was looking at my cup holder and I was like, what is this? You pull that down and it's a double cup holder. This is so cool. God, I love Japanese cars. They're the best. Jump in. Quick, quick, quick. Car's coming behind us. Jump in, jump in. Taking a quick moment to tell you about today's video sponsor, which is Lucky Labo. And if you don't know who Lucky Labo is, they are an online boutique and they are dedicated to selling Silvia and Skyline parts. But not only parts, but also really cool JDM accessories, just like these air fresheners. These are the Ecolsha air fresheners and they smell like squash. They're kind of like the tin can ones. They are a genuine Japanese brand and product. I'm pretty sure these are the only guys that actually have stock and sell them in the USA. Let me quickly open one up so you guys can experience it. So ASMR air freshener time. Ooh, that was very satisfying. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It smells like Japan and Bosozoku. So head to luckylabo.com and grab yourself one of the Ecolsha air fresheners. I really recommend them, and if you don't know about this particular squash scent, then I guess you've been living under a rock if you're in the JDM scene, because this is literally like the famous scent that everyone had in the 90s in their cars. In fact, I'm pretty sure that in certain scenes of Initial D, you saw this very same can somewhere in the car. So, once again, head to luckylabo.com. Thank you, Lucky Labo, for sponsoring this video. Support the companies that support SAMMIT, and let's get back to the video. So what do you think of the van? This is the first time you get to see it, right?
It's like mimicking like the Yashio.
Yeah, it is actually kind of cool. I like it. I really dig it. It's nice.
Shiny.
It is shiny. It's been cleaned. I know the wheels. We need to. I'm gonna get some like some Hoshis on there or something. Yeah, put it back on. Now that's gonna fly off while we're driving. I love that it's also got car stickers already on the back. I need to Google search this. Looks like a GT500 car. Looks cool. Anyways, yeah, so the K-Van's already saved the day and we haven't even owned it for like 24 hours. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. All right, well, jump in. Yeah, it's got everything, babe. This car is crazy cool. This car is seriously the best. We got to fill it up already. It needs gas though, because the guys at the auctions didn't fill it up. But
oh no, I need a new Converse.
Why'd you just damage it? Oh, Converse look better dirty. No, don't worry.
That's not true.
So obviously massive thank you to Rusey for helping me out today. He's already got the S15 inside. He's got to go do work and stuff now. So I'll come back in like an hour and I will switch out this drive shaft and get this car ready. I have a drift event tomorrow. I have Okajuku. I'm meant to be driving with Oka-chan and we just went to do some chores and drive around and my axle popped.
We literally just went to get
paperwork.
Paperwork.
And post office stuff.
That should have been done in like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's been
Anyways.
an hour
Yeah.
and 30 minutes. Okay.
Life of dailying a drift car, guys. I don't advise doing it. I feel so dirty putting regular gas in one of my cars that I own. Also, this is a struggle to fill up. This is all the way where it is, and I have to squat all the way down here. Hang on, let me show you. Look at this. I have to squat all the way down like this just to fill this thing up. You finished drinking, my precious? All right, we're done. Oh, she loves the smell of gas.
But it's not sweet like the...
High octane? Yeah, it smells different, right?
It's dirty.
Smells dirty? Yeah, it is regular, so. I feel dirty putting this in the car.
You're a filthy, dirty person.
I'm a filthy, dirty person. Just getting some paperwork sorted out, but for now, ASMR coffee time, lads. Let's get some. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that is good. So just got back to Luce's shop. He's already moved my S15 inside for me. Absolute mad lad and a champion. Thank you so much, Luce, for letting me use your shop space today and get this smashed out. Not only did he let me use his space and his tools, but he also has pretty much brand new drive shafts ready for me to throw in. So thank you so much, mate. That aside, time is not on my side, and I have to get this done, rush to the shop, load the car and get it packed and ready for tomorrow's drift event, rush back home, and then do a whole bunch of stuff at home and hope that I have enough time to get everything finished so I can get to bed at a decent time, wake up early, go to tomorrow's drift event, and then Friday is gonna be just as hectic. This week is insane. January is always insane, especially if you're a YouTuber. Anyways, that aside, guys, let's put you down, get the time lapse started, and pull this drive shaft out and see how badly it's messed up. There we go. All right, we got her out now. Whew. At long last. It's a pain. Oh, damn, I did a real good number on this one. Took a while to get this thing out because it was a bit of a pain in the butt on the exhaust side, but as you can see, nice big hole here. And then if we flip it around here too, another huge like crack and hole here. And this is cast iron here. So it's kind of amazing that that's split open. Very, very lucky though that we didn't actually have this whole thing and casing come apart, especially at the drift comp that we were at. I'd say this happened at the drift comp and it's been getting worse and worse every time I've been driving it, because I never really heard any noise or anything, and then all of a sudden today, after a little pull, we just started hearing a lot of noise. So, and this was the noise we're hearing. It's really broken. So yeah, I'd say that's where that excess noise came from. I've never actually broken a CV shaft like this before, where it's like put a huge crack and a split in on this side and then the same over here. Pretty crazy, pretty decent. And I mean, this is just what to expect when you're at this power level in an S chassis. You start breaking transmissions, diffs, and drive shafts in these if you don't upgrade these to like 350Z ones, or at least the Skyline 5-bolt ones are stronger. So I am going to be looking at doing a full 350Z drive shaft conversion on this, or the same as the GTR. They're like a 6-bolt spade kind of type ones. They're not this kind of 6-bolt, but they're like the Skyline 5-bolt with an extra tab. They're way stronger and way better. The other thing that I'm a bit concerned about is I'm kind of waiting for my transmission to have problems. If I was running a stock SR transmission, it probably would have blown up by now, but I have the Nismo SR transmission, which is quite stronger in first, second, and third, so that's probably why I haven't really had any transmission issues yet. Synchros still feel good. I put that special stuff in there that really helps like smoothing out your shifting. I don't use the Redline shockproof stuff though. I use some random Japanese one called EPL, I think. But yeah, try to stay away from Redline. I've heard a lot of people say that there's an additive and a chemical they use in it, and it dissolves the brass in the synchros in Nissan transmissions. So just be very careful with Redline. I know Redline's fine in like R154s and stuff, but supposedly it's not good for Nissan trannies. I don't know if that's true though. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comment section. But for now, time to switch in the new one and get this thing working again. So it might be a bit hard to see, but new drive shaft, CV shaft, whatever you want to call it, is all installed. Everything's torqued to spec. We should be pretty good. I've shovel checked that I tightened all of these, so we shouldn't have any loose stuff, but we're going to go obviously for a test drive and make sure everything's all good. But yeah, this thing definitely made a big mess. There's a bunch of grease that was getting on the exhaust and burning. You can see here and stuff. Whole bunch of grease up in there, so at a later date I'll attack it with some parts cleaner. You can also see here, geez, yeah, bummer. Oh well, I do like a clean under chassis, but for now, all good. This is definitely, listen to that. All right, I'm gonna pack up, get the tire back on, get this thing out of here. But yeah, we did really well for time. It's 4:20, so it took me about an hour and 10 minutes, and that was me not knowing where any tools were and just trying to figure everything out here in the workshop. So I reckon I could have gotten this done way faster if obviously I knew where all the tools were and whatnot, but we got it done real quick. I'm happy. So now we should be able to get everything else done today. So taking the S15 out for a bit of a test drive, feels fine. No knocking sounds in the back, no nothing. So really happy it's all fixed. And that means tomorrow we get to go skidding. Just arrived at the shop and I'm just getting everything ready to load into the S15 for tomorrow. And honestly, I think it's funny how like it took me working in Duce's shop to just really appreciate the space that I have here and how much I have. Damn, I cannot wait to just start smashing through some work and builds here because we really do have a lot of space here, and I think it's going to be really, really good once we get things set up even more. This racking made a huge difference, hey? It's insane. Anyways, I'm going to keep packing everything up and get it all ready for tomorrow, and then we'll jump back in the car and head home. Just got home, babe. I fixed the drive shaft that you broke today, doing clutch kicks and drifting all around Daikoku and Oi Futo. If you guys don't know, she's like this famous street drifter over here. But all jokes aside, the car's fixed and it's all packed and ready for tomorrow's skids and shenanigans. Are you coming tomorrow actually? Are you going to be home tomorrow? Day off? No? You're working. Okay. We went to the PO box and one of you lads sent us a package. This came all the way from Sweden from someone called Peter. Oh yeah, I covered up his address so you guys can't do it. But look, it's from Sweden. And description on the customs form is pillowcase.
Why is a bear on this?
It's just a stamp. It's okay. It's all right. But pillowcase. And that has me very concerned. Does that have you concerned?
Yes.
But we might be gaining another waifu.
What if it's like a guy face?
I don't know. Hang on. I'm going to give the camera to May. And I'm going to open this right now. I don't want to like accidentally cut it, so... Ooh, ooh. I'm so scared. Oh, there's a letter. Hang on before we look at it. Hi, it's on a Hello Kitty notepad. Hi mates. The very first Xbox had a dead or alive bundle where this Kasumi blow up pillow was a part of it. I had 2 of them, so enjoy this one. Oh, let me know if you like it. Thanks, Peter. Okay, I'm scared. Look at all the Hello Kitty tape. I'm genuinely scared right now.
It's a blow up pillow.
But it's dead or alive Kasumi though. It said blow up. I don't think it's a blow up though, it's a pillowcase. Oh, yeah. Is she... Oh, okay. That's not that bad. That's not that bad.
It's still kind of appropriate.
It's kind of inappropriate, but
Oh
it's okay.
my gosh.
Oh, no. She's kind of got pants on. She's okay.
Look at
Can I get inside this? That would be so funny if I could. Oh my god, I can. Hang on a second, boys. We're going deep! Oh wait, I just realized. No, that won't fit over my body. Now, this is the front side. Do we dare show them what's on the back? It's actually totally normal. It's just normal white.
Okay.
But if this was from Japan, it'd probably have more of that. This actually probably did come from Japan, to be honest. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Thank you so much, Peter. This is actually super cool. I'm gonna hang this up in the office. It's taller than you are.
I know.
No, it's actually about the same height.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, hang on,
no.
hang on. It's cut off at like a crutch.
Okay, yeah, I'm not showing my crutch.
Yeah. Anyways, that was fun. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you for sending your extra pillowcase that you
Yeah,
have.
thank you for sending your extra waifu to us. I appreciate it.
We don't need any more waifus.
Don't say that, mate, because they'll start shipping more.
No,
No.
we don't need it. No! If someone's gonna send me a pillow, then it needs to be Levi.
Yeah,
It
May's
needs to
crushing
be.
hardcore on Levi from Attack on Titan, but what any other girl that watches Attack on Titan isn't, though. I think he's gonna die this season.
Well, everyone might die this season, I
That's
think.
true, actually. What if the season ends with just like an atomic bomb going off and killing everyone, both sides? What if that's what happens when the founding Titan eats all the Titans? Think about that.
Any
one.
theories, guys? Any ideas you think?
This all of a
that
sudden
might
become
happen?
a Gigak episode of.
Comment on the I'm really terrible at this. Comment on the video.
Leave us a comment in the comment section.
if you have any theories for your Attack on Titan. Anyways, I think we've had enough today. Everything just went
Everything
really bad today.
Everything today did not go according to plan whatsoever. But we're gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna go to bed as early as I can, and we'll be drifting tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that video.
All right, thanks guys, and we'll
Smash
see you
like, write us a comment, subscribe, head to SAMMIT.net, go get yourself some merch, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out, your mother.
Damn it!